Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I am Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping in. Today we are going to be opening a box from a company called JB Style Box. They're a very dedicated group of stylists. Her name happens to be Ryan. Hey girl. And they ask you specifically what you're looking for. It's very hands-on on their end, very personalized. They do theirs just slightly different. Shipping is free if you keep 3 or more items. You have 5 days to check things out, try them on. The style fee is $20. And that $20 gets credited back to anything you keep of the value of 50 or more. So those are just some oddities in comparison to Stitch Fix or Wantable. So let's get in the box and see what she sent me. Everything is always wrapped really pretty. So here is the box. See what I mean? That's beautiful, right? Aww. And then here is, they're photos of some of the items and how they are styled. Isn't that unique? There's not another service that I have found that does this. So that's what I mean. It's very detailed and hands-on. So I'm anxious to see what these look like. All right, let's see what we have here. Here is that return label that I mentioned about shipping back, and shipping is free if you buy 3 or more pieces. And then my invoice that shows all my different items. And then she gives me the price breakdowns at 20% off. Okay. And then a note from Ryan. All right, hey Lynn, August at the store usually means we have some sales going on, so I wanted to send a few of those your way. First things first though, the jeans, petite isn't something we carry on hand, but I am hoping these crop Hudsons will do the trick for you. Anyways, happy trying, Ryan. Sometimes that works. If I buy crop jeans, they turn out to be perfect for petite. Okay, so we're gonna start right here in this pretty bundle. I love it. It's like Tiffany blue. Who doesn't love Tiffany blue? I don't know anybody that hates Tiffany blue. All right, so open this up and see what we have. Oh, this is cute. All right. It's a cream color top, and I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, my camera is going a different color. That's wrong, and it's weird. But if you can see the detail, it's like a braided neckline. It's really pretty. I like this. It's a little boxy, so I'll have to see what it looks like. This is the natural color. I don't know what color you're seeing, but a very just nice off-white color. And it's very cotton and linen feeling. And let's see, this is $32 and by wish list. Okay, that's the first item. I'm gonna look through my invoice here and see if this item was on sale. Wish list. Nope, that is the price. Okay. Okay, the next item in this packet looks like another top. Okay, let's see this. So it's like a mock neck, short sleeve shirt, but it's wide all the way to the bottom, and there's no hem or no banding or anything on the bottom. So we'll have to see. It seems, again, a little boxy, but it might look great with some boyfriend jeans or straight leg jeans. Okay. Oh, and this one is by Fearless, and it is $58. This might have been one of the, let's see what she says. Fearless tee, yep, is $58. So it seems there's 2 items that were on sale. So we'll watch for those as I take items out. Right. Oh, and there's a little box here Let's open that. That's fun. JB and Me. They are in Grand Rapids and Holland, Michigan. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. I really like it. It would look great with what I'm wearing right now even. But I think a lot of you know about I break out whenever I wear costume jewelry. But this is a beautiful piece and it is $28. I love it. I wish I could afford this in real gold. So this has a, let's see, there you can see it, a toggle. So you could put it at any length, whatever fits around your neck. And then you have this beautiful textured gold piece. When we're trying all this on, I'm gonna try to remember to put this on so you can see what this looks like. This is beautiful and it's heavy, not uncomfortable heavy, good quality heavy. And $28 is a pretty nice price for good costume jewelry. Okay. And then let's open this one up. Okay. Oh, pair of jeans, the ones she was talking about. And they have paint splatter on them. I don't know. I don't think I'm into the paint splatter. Let's see, let me show it to you. There's on that leg. And there's some on that leg. And it goes down to the bottom. I'll try them on because for all I know, I like this kind of jean, this brand. And maybe I can exchange for something other than the paint splatter. This leg has a lot of the paint splatter on it. Right there. And this one has it on the bottom. Yeah, that's not me at all. But I will definitely try them on like everything else. All right, and then there is, it looks to be a pair of shoes. And I love shoes. We all know that, right? No matter what size you are, shoes always fit. Love that. And I love these. OMG, like I need another pair of shoes. They are camouflage. And then this braiding around the bottom and flat. I don't have a lot of flat shoes. A lot of my shoes have heels on them. I love these. OMG, my goodness. I love them. I think I just bought another pair of shoes. Well, you know what? Let me go back to the pants. I was so excited I saw the box. I could tell there were shoes. Let's go back to the jeans because I did not tell you who they were by or how much they were. All right, these are by Hudson Paint Splatter, and these are one of the items that was on sale. Originally $195. They're on sale for $126.75. $100, kind of average price for a pair of jeans. All right, now the shoes. Fingers crossed it's a good price. Well, they're at least on sale. Sanctuary Havana shoe in fatigue. So they're calling this fatigue. I get it, yes. 7.5, originally $84. So they come to $53. I was hoping they'd be a little cheaper, but I think I just bought me some shoes. Well, Ryan, you know me. A good pair of shoes any day. All right, so that's what she sent me. Let's turn around and let's get trying this stuff on. Okay, so outfit number one. They really only sent me 2 outfits, this being one of them. These are the splatter jeans, and they are supposed to be cropped. And Suki wanted to say hi. Right, Suki? Did you want to say hi? Yeah. Can you come up here? No? Okay. Well, anyway, Suki, she says that the jeans are too tight, and I agree. Thank you, girlfriend. They're way too little in the waist, and I'm not even gonna show you how tight they are, but the backside doesn't look too bad. It's just the waist, and I don't care for this new style, this paint splatter. It's just not my jam, not at all. And the top, let's talk about the top. I love the color. I think Ryan, my stylist, knows I like the olive color, but this is like a paper bag. I am short and I'm very curvy. I need clothes that show my curves or at least accentuate my curves, because otherwise right now I just look like just a tube, wide tube. A wide, up and down, short little tube. So I'm gonna have to say no to the top also. I hate to be negative, but it's just, there's nothing really to this top. And the shoes though, I'll give you a close-up of the shoes, but these are super cute. They were a little difficult to get into. Sometimes my foot is a little wider than normal, but they're cute. I do love them. Now, I have to make sure they're $50 worth of cute, right? Yes, I do. Especially when the husband looks at me and looks at the heaping piles of shoes that I do already have. All right, well, let me go and change into this top, and then I'll put on that costume jewelry they sent along. Okay, so here is the second top with this beautiful necklace they sent along. It's beautiful, and I mentioned that it's weighty, you know, it's heavy. It's not heavy to wear, it's just solid, good costume jewelry. This shirt I like. The slits are cute on the sides, it's on both sides. And I like the V-neck, and I do like the detail. And I'm gonna get close up so you can see the detail and the necklace. This braiding or twisting is super cute, and it's got nice sleeves, little sleeves. That's, this time of year is probably appropriate. There's nothing special about the top for me. It's okay. It's not, doesn't wow me or bowl me over. And I get so many clothes sent to me that an item really has to be a wow for me to keep something. Like these shoes, they're a wow. They really are. Once something's a wow, you gotta make sure that it's worth the money that they're, you know, charging you for it. So this shirt, front to back, there you go. Now you can see the back side. I like the rough edges, kind of like unfinished edges. It's kind of cool. Let me look to see, pardon me. Let me tell you, this shirt here is $32. And this is a medium large. Now that last, the olive color shirt was a large, and it's $58. I would never pay $58 for that shirt. This top, $32, yeah, that makes perfect sense to me. And as I mentioned, the jeans, $126, and then the shoes are $53. So they really don't give any price break for buying more than one piece, but you do get your shipping free if you buy 3 or more items. It's not looking like I'm buying more than one item, if one item. So that means that I'm gonna have to pay for shipping for this to go back. And then my $20 fee, styling fee, they get to keep, because I'm not buying anything over $50 unless I buy the shoes, which I think this is the tag from the shoes. Yeah. So this is not a win for me at all. And I can't say that I'm gonna get another box from them. Or at least maybe wait until we're in solid fall season. So tell me what you think. This is a small company with just 2 stores. They're not a big conglomerate like Stitch Fix. So I like to give them benefit of the doubt. Tell me what you think. Should I continue getting them? they essentially sent me a pair of shoes, pair of jeans, and 2 tops. I'm used to getting a little more than that through the other boxes. But I know, again, small stores trying to compete with Stitch Fix and Wantable is very difficult. So I look forward to your comments. Clue me in as to whether I should do this one again or not. And I appreciate you all here with me today. Subscribe, please. That would make my world just roll on. And give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the notification bell. And I appreciate each of you. And thank you. Take care.